what stock is moving. You can see here there is an option. The auto refresh option will always be on. The auto refresh option will always be on, right? It will be on through the day. All right. This is significant only for the intraday players, because that is how you will know if there is a stock. If you want to know what is moving through the day, then you have to keep the auto refresh on. At the end of the day, auto refresh is shut down by default, because there is no need for auto refresh. Now, the other feature what we have on this page is the change now option. So once you click on change now, all right, once you click on change now, you will see that only the stocks that are relevant for action is visible here. Only the stocks that are relevant for action is visible here. And that's how you know that, okay, these are the stocks that are moving. So you have come to the page now. What is the beauty of Neo Trader? You can come whenever you want to the market and you will get an opportunity. You can come whenever you want to the market and you will get an opportunity. Now, how will you know that there is an opportunity right now? You can know it by keeping the change now filter on. So once again, I will show you. If I keep the change now off, you will see that the number of stocks visible here is much higher. The stocks are flowing, right, based on the signals they are getting generated. But then you may tend to get a little confused when you take a look at it suddenly. So that's how you can take advantage. Now, having said that, the case, this entire scenario works for the bullish and the bearish. It works in the same way.